Hello, I'm Carlos Rosas and this is the CRS channel. Now we are going to continue with our series of equation uh, 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 solutions of systems of equations. Here we are going to start with this set of equations: 6x plus y minus 19 equals 0, minus 2x plus 3y plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so here we are going to multiply this second equation by 3, and we get minus 6x plus 9y plus 9 equals 0. So we add these two equations: 6x plus y minus 19 equals 0 and minus 6 plus 9y plus 9 equals 0. And we get 10y minus 10 equals 0, which gives us y equals 1. And after replacing y equals 1 in either of these two equations, for example, we have y equals 1 here, we have 6x plus 1 minus 19 equals 0, 1 minus 19 equals minus 18, which means that 6x equals 18, so x equals 3. Now, I was initially interested in using the spreadsheet program to work these solutions to sets of equations using the spreadsheet, but in a more general way. But it is much more difficult to do so than the problems we're going to work with. So I'm going to leave that for a separate set of videos. So now we're going to continue with this other problem, which we are going to solve the system y equals 2x minus 2 and y equals minus x squared plus x plus 4. So we have we have these two y's. We just equate the two y's. So we have 2x minus 2 equals minus x squared plus x plus 4. So that we send this x squared to the side, and we have x squared plus x, that is 2x minus x, and minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 equals 0. So we have x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Remember, this is the quadratic expression where the coefficient for the x squared is 1, which means that we have x plus a times x plus b, which means that we need to find two numbers that added up give us 1, and that multiplied give us minus 6. The factors of minus 6 are simply, apart from 1 and 6, are 2 and 3. So how can we combine 2 and 3? So we get minus 6 in the product and plus 1 in the sum. So that means that we have to have positive 3 and negative 2. So that means that x plus 3 times x minus 2 should be equal to x squared plus x minus 6. If you can see, minus 2 times plus 3 is minus 6, and minus 2 plus 3 equals 1. So our solutions are x equals 2 and x equals minus 3. By substituting in y equals 2x minus 2, we substitute 2 in 2x minus 2. We get that 2 times 2 equals 4, minus 2 is 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So that means that for x equals 2, y is 2. Where x equals 2, y is 2. Okay, replacing again with minus 3. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. So for x equals minus 3, y equals minus 8. So those are our solutions. X equals 2, y equals 2. X equals minus 3, y equals minus 8. So let's go on to the next equation set. We are to solve x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 2 equals 23 and x plus y equals 1. So we have that y equals 1 minus x. So we substitute 1 minus x in this first equation. So we have that x squared plus x minus 1 squared minus 2x plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 23. Remember that x minus 1 equals the negative of 1 minus x, so that minus cancels out with the minus, the other minus. We have plus here. And we have then that x squared we have x squared plus x minus 1 squared, and here we have minus 2x plus 2x cancel out, and we have minus 2. So we have x squared minus 2 plus x minus 1 squared equals 23, and we have then that expanding this expression here, we know that x minus 1 squared equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we have x squared plus x squared is 2x squared minus 2x, and we have minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 23, and we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 24 equals 0, which equals x squared minus x minus 12 equals 0. Okay, so here we have that x squared minus x minus 12. For that, we have to find two numbers that multiplied give us minus 12 and added up give us minus 1. Factors of 12 apart from 1 and 12 are 2 and 6 and 3 and 4. Okay, 2 and 6, if we multiply them, give us 12, but if we add them up, they don't give us 1. So we have to move on, and we have 3 and 4. 3 and 4 multiplied give us 12, and added up may give us 1. So here we have to find out how we have to arrange the signs for the 3 and the 4, so that added up they give us minus 1. So we have then that if we have plus 3 and minus 4, if we add them up, we get minus 1, and if we multiply them, we get minus 12. So that means that x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to x plus 3 times x minus 4. That equals 12. So we have two solutions, x equals minus 3 and x equals 4. When x equals minus 3, we substitute here. 1 minus 3 is 1 plus 3, which gives us 4, which means that for x equals minus 3, y is 4. When x equals 4, we have that 1 minus 4 equals minus 3. So that's when x equals 4, y equals minus 3. So our solutions are x equals minus 3, y equals 4, and x equals 4, y equals minus 3. Okay, so those are our solutions. That means that is our set of solutions for that exercise. Okay, we are going to continue with more solutions to systems of equations in the next video.